Alright, good morning teachers. So today magla-live tayo ng Social Studies General Education. So mag-ano na kayo everyone, mag-heart at saka mag-follow. I'm audible ba? Dinig po ba ako everyone? Kindly comment nga kung naririnig ako. Thank you so much everyone. We will start by 140. Just follow everyone. And by the way, baka gusto nyo po mag-join sa group chat namin sa Messenger. Message nyo lang po ako dito. Sa TikTok. Wait lang everyone, wait lang. Alright, so we will start number 1 item. This is Social Studies 2026 for General Education for all September takers, no, na magte-take this upcoming September let. So already this month is May na po. So lalabas na po ang result ng ating mga takers, March takers. So hopefully na marami pong pumasa, no, sa ating mga member dito. So ngayon mag-uumpisa na tayo ng kaunti sa ating September takers. So marami na po sila sa group chat na nagpa-member at nagsisend na rin po ako doon ng mga reviewers na pwede nilang gamitin at magsisend pa po kami upcoming next month ng mga updated at mga lumabas na mga questions sa noong March 2026. Alright, shall we start with item number 1? Copernicus' book De Revolutionibus proposed the thesis that blank, the Earth is the center of the universe, B, the Earth revolves around the sun, C, the Earth is round, D, the moon revolves around the Earth. What is your answer? Comment your answer everyone. This is general education for social studies. Sorry, hindi maayos yung pakiramdam ko. What is your answer, everyone, for item number 1? Comment your answer. Try nyo lang po. What is your answer? Comment, everyone. Alright, so kung hindi nyo pa alam to, the correct answer is letter B po, the Earth revolves around the Sun. Yan po ay base sa kay Copernicus na libro na paipamagat na De Revolutionibus. So tandaan nyo po yung letter B, sa kanya po yan nakapropose, the Earth revolves around the Sun. Next, number 2, ayan po yung Ptolemy and the Copernicus, the geocentric and the heliocentric. Pag sinabi natin geocentric, ang Earth po ang nasa center at pinalibutan siya ng Sun. However, for the heliocentric naman, ang Sun ang nasa gitna at ang Earth ang umiikot sa kanya. So yan po ang Ptolemy geocentric and heliocentric Copernicus. Next item, a modern city in North Africa is blank. So what would be your answer, teachers? Comment your answer. Thank you so much, Joy, for following. Comment your answer, teachers. Kahit mali, okay lang. Try nyo lang kung ano yung hula nyo. And please share nyo na po yung ating live para marami tayo dito. This is general education for social studies. Alright, so walang nakakaalam dito. Ang tamang sagot po dito ay Cairo. Ang Cairo po ang modern city ng North Africa. So lumalabas po ito sa ating Gen Ed. Number 3, Baghdad is to Iraq and blank is to Syria. A. Jordan, Turkey, Yemen, Damascus. What is the correct answer? Alright, so may nakita kong sagot, Damascus. Let's see later kung Damascus nga ba ang is to Syria. Ayan yung kay Eric Cakes is letter D din. Shout out po. Ano na po kayo mag-follow at paki-share nyo ng ating live. Thank you for following Eric Cakes. Ayan, mag-join na po kayo sa ating group chat. Marami na pong nagpa-member doon. Marami pong nag-join at marami na po kaming na-send na reviewer doon. Ready to download po. Yes, the correct answer is Damascus kasi yung Jordan is to Amman. Turkey to Ankara, Yemen to Sana'a, and Damascus is to Syria, and Baghdad is to Iraq. So take note of that, everyone, kasi lumalabas talaga yan. Next, where is the Arctic region found? Try nyo lang guys. Thank you Geraldine for following. Try nyo lang kung ano yung feel nyo na sagot. Para at least meron kayong idea kapag ma-encounter nyo siya ulit. Yes, the correct answer po is North Pole region. Diyan po makikita ang Arctic region sa North Pole region. Ayan po. Next, known as the land of the Aztec was the A Valley of Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, California, or South America? Alright, so what is your answer everyone for September takers? Try lang po. So wala pa po kayong idea dito. So today meron na kayong idea, that is po Valley for Mexico. Valley for Mexico po. Take note of that. Valley of Mexico. Ayan, thank you so much Giselle for correcting. Andre, at least meron na po kayong idea dito. Hindi po South America, that would be Valley, Mexico. Number 6, the Great Temple of Khmer is located in, Indonesia is located in, Indonesia. Ayan, letter A ang kay Giselle. Tingnan natin kung letter A nga ba ang sagot. Yes, the correct answer is letter C. Angkor po. Angkor for Khmer Empire. So take note of that po. Thank you so much for trying to answer. At least meron na po kayong idea. Thank you Shang for following. Next item, ayan po, yung Khmer Angkor, nandyan po kay Cambodia. Yung Borobudur Java kay Indonesia. Ayan. Next one, why is the Nile known as the international river? Follow everyone for more reviewer and in-encourage ko po kayo mag-join, magpa-member na sa ating group chat. Marami na pong member doon na magti-take this upcoming September. Magsisend po kami ng mga reviewer, mga actual board question na mula noong September 2025 at March 2026. Isisend po namin sa group chat. In-encourage po namin kayong mag-join. So what is your answer for this item number 7? Alright, the correct answer is letter C. It crosses 11 countries in the Southeast Africa. Letter C po ang tamang sagot. Yan po ang reason kung bakit ang Nile ang tinaguri ang international river. Kasi siya ang nagka-cross sa 11 countries in the Southeast Africa. Oh, sorry. Number 8, the term New World applies to blank. South America, North, European, or Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation. What is your answer? This is general education for social studies. So lahat po ay dadaan sa ganitong subject kasi Gen Ed siya. Thank you for following. Ayan, letter D ang kay Carl. Tingnan natin later. What is the other answer, teachers? Comment nyo nga. Ayan, letter A, North America. May letter A din. Thank you, Kwatog, for following. Share nyo po yung ating live, everyone. So, ilang months na lang, no? September na. June na po next month. So, parang hinahatak lang yung araw. Dapat as soon as possible, try to join na po kayo sa mga ganitong session. Nakakatulong talaga siya. Yes, the correct answer is letter B po, boy. It's North America po, ang New World. Yan. It's letter B po. Okay lang sa mga nagkamali, at least meron na kayong idea. Para next encounter nyo po, meron na kayong idea ulit. Next one, prior to the Amazon River being recognized as the longest river. Ito na po siya, ang longest river in the world. Kanina lang natin to diniscuss, no? Ayan, malapit na tayo mag 1K hearts. Tap nyo na po yung screen natin. Thank you sa mga magpo-follow. Ima-manifest natin ang mga magpo-follow dito sa ating live. At ini-encourage ko po kayo mag-join at magpa-member sa ating messenger group chat. Next, yes po, it's letter D po. Correct po kayong lahat. Very good. Kasi natandaan nyo po yung ating diniscuss kanina. Crosses to 11 countries in the southeast, no? Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. Next. William Shakespeare was from England, while Edgar Allan Poe was blank, United, Great, France, Ireland. Thank you so much, Sir John Beer. Thank you. Papasa ka na po this May. Di ba lalabas na ngayong May 15? Oh my goodness. Abang-abang ka na po kasi nandoon na po yung spot mo. Yes. Manifesting talaga po, John Beer. Secure na po yung ang spot mo doon. Isa ka na po sa papasa. Yes, the correct answer, syempre, is United States. United States. Ba't dumilim to? Next. Ayan. Thank you so much, sir. Balik ka po dito once lumabas na po yung result. Ilang days na lang kasi lalabas na ang March takers, no? March result. What was the name of our island as it first appeared in the rare map published in 1554 at Venice by Giovanni Battista Ramusio, an Italian geographer? A. It's Philippines. B. Filipinas. C. Philippine Islands. D. Philippine Archipelago. Ano kaya ang lumabas na pangalan, no? Comment your answer, everyone. Just follow also. Marami po ito. Marami-rami po tayong items dito, ma'am. Lex. Yes, the correct answer is Filipinas. Thank you so much for correct answer. Yes po, Filipinas po. Take note of that. Filipinas po ang unang pangalan ng ating bansa na nag-appear sa rare map na ipipublish noong 1554. Follow everyone. Do share. Mag-share na po kayo. And then magpa-member na din po sa ating group chat. Para at least always kayo updated sa mga reviewer na isi-send natin doon. Item number 12. In the land area of 115,707 square miles, the Philippines is almost as large as. Message lang po, Ma'am Eric Cakes. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok. Para mapa-inquire ko po kayo at ma-add na rin po sa ating group chat later sa Messenger. Actually, marami na pong nagpa-member doon. Almost 100 plus na sila. A. Italy, Spain, United States, Greece. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Thank you so much, Bulbasaur, for following. Shout out po sa iyo. Thank you, Aldrin, for following also. Elise, thank you so much for following. Yes, the correct answer is Italy. Hindi po United States. Hindi po Greece. So, ang approximately po, kung napapansin nyo, is 1,015. 115. So, rounded off na po yan. Magiging 116,000 square miles. Italy po ang tamang sagot. Thank you, Shella, for following. Take note of this po. Ito. Ito. Iba na naman ito. Magko-confuse kayo dito. The Philippines is twice as big as. Baka ito yung tinutukoy nyo kanina. Baka dito na po yung ang tamang sagot nyo kanina. Take note po, hindi po umulit yung tanong. Basahin nyo maigi. Yes po, it's Greece. Yan na po yung tinutukoy nyo. Alright, mag-comment nga, mag-raise nga ng hand sa mga nakatama dito. Kung napapansin nyo yung kanina, almost as a large. Italy po ang tamang sagot. Thank you so much, Lecanel. Pero yung 13 po, twice as big as Greece. Greece po ang tamang sagot dito. Ayan, mga perfect. Thank you so much, everyone. Number 14, the coastline of island in the Philippines is at twice that of the blank Africa, Caribbean island, United States, or Europe. Share ng ating live, everyone, at magpa-member na po kayo sa ating group chat sa Messenger. Thank you, Benny, for following. Highly appreciated. Yung mga magpa-follow is minamanifest po talaga namin. Thank you so much, Israel, for following. Alright, then the correct answer po natin. Thank you so much for J-Red and Soy Sauce, bongga. Soy Sauce yung kanyang pangalan. Yes po, is United States po ang tamang sagot po. It's United States, coastline of the Philippines. Coastline of island in the Philippines is twice that of United States po. Comment nga yung inyong mga places, everyone, kung saan na po umabot yung ating live today. Comment your province. Oh, Leyte. Cebu. Agusan del Sur. Ayan. Thank you so much. Zamboanga City. Oh, Albay. So, always lang po kayo dito mag-attend ng ating mga live, everyone. Davao City. Marami po kayong matutunan dito at yung mga lumalabas po dito ay yun din ang mga lumalabas sa mga pre-board ng mga malalaking review center like CBRC, QR, ano pa ba, FTRC. Dito nyo po malalaman in advance po kung naka-enroll po kayo doon sa kanila. Dito nyo po malalaman in advance. Alright, so what is the answer for this? 15, question number 15. UNCLOS, UN, Seattle, ASEAN. Share nyo na po yung ating live, everyone, at magpa-member na sa ating group chat sa Messenger. Yes po, letter A po ang tamang sagot. UNCLOS. Kung basahin, UNCLOS. Letter A po ang tamang sagot. UN, pag sinabi natin UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Yan po ang tamang sagot natin dito. Ayan po, Archipelagic Doctrine. Thank you, Oshmik. Paano babasahin to? Sorry. Lau, thank you so much for following. How about this? Alam ko wala pang idea dito, pero try nyo lang ang best nyo, guys. Try lang. At least kung nagkamali kayo dito, at least kapag kinorek na natin, malalaman nyo na at ma-remember nyo na in the next time, di ba? In 1982, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea designated a blank exclusive economic zone of the water around the Philippine archipelago for sovereign right to explore, conserve, and manage natural resources of ocean, seabed, and suboil. A. 1,000-mile belt, B. 100-mile belt, 500-mile belt, or 200-mile belt. Thank you, Gemma Reyes, for following. Yes, the correct answer is 200. Sino mga nakatama? Pakitap the screen at saka raise your hand sa mga nakatama dito sa number 16. Thank you, Jet Lee, for following. Ayan. Jet Lee. Merlets, thank you so much also. So, magpa-member po kayo sa ating group chat is 100 pesos lang. Pero ngayon, at least since nandito kayo ngayon, ida-down na lang natin sa 50 pesos. So, message nyo na po ako para ma-join na po kayo sa ating group chat for 50 pesos na lang. Alright, question 17. Mali naman ako ng piniling tao. Normal. Highest mountain po in the Philippines. May magkamali pa ba dito? Thank you, Third, for following, and John, thank you so much for following, everyone. Ayan. Join na kayo sa ating group chat. Message nyo na ako dito sa TikTok. The correct answer is Mount Apu. Hindi ka na po nagkamali. Join na kayo sa ating group chat, everyone. Thank you, Hastoria and Lily. Message nyo lang ako, Messi, message mo ako dito sa TikTok. Re-replyan kita after ng live, ma'am. May discount na po tayo. Oh, thank you so much for the rose. First time tayo naka-receive ng rose. Number 18. Group chat po sa mga September takers po. Lahat po ay available po doon. Mapa BSED ka man or BEd, open ka po doon. Thank you so much again for the rose. Ano ka talaga? Very mapagbigay. Thank you so much. The longest river in the Philippines. Ayan. Kaya ba natin umabot ng 10,000 hearts dito? Thank you, Regina, for following. Yes po, it's Cagayan River. Cagayan River po ang tamang sagot. Cagayan River. Thank you so much. Next, which of Bohol is reputed to be the smallest monkey in the world? Follow everyone. Heart ng ating screen. Zebronchi, Pilandot, Tarsius, Bobalus. Bobalo. Akala ko babalo. Smallest monkey ha. Smallest monkey. Ayan, iba-iba ang sagot nila. May letter B, may letter A. Lahat ng item na isagot na nila. Ano ba ang tamang sagot dito? Smallest monkey ha. Thank you so much totally not for following. Yes po, general education po ito under social studies. Gen Ed po ito. Alright, so wag na natin i-overthink yung ating mga viewers. The correct answer po is letter C po. Tarsius po. Kasi si Pilandok po is a mouse. Si Zebronchi po is a zebra. Yan. Kaya po ang tamang sagot natin is Tarsius, which is tarsier. The smallest monkey. Meron po kaming values education sa group chat na reviewer po. Meron po kaming values education doon. Magpa-member ka lang po. Sino nakatama dito? Raise ng inyong hands nga. Nag-aalinlangan sila kung Zebronchi ba. Kasi yung Zebronchi parang may nagra-rhyme siya sa monkey. Zebronchi, monkey. Pero ang tamang sagot po is Tarsius. Thank you for the rose, Ma'am Rare. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lona, for following. Aiden, thank you so much for following. Next item natin, move on tayo dito. Again ha, smallest mountain ha. Mountain. Smallest monkey. Tarsius ha, Tarsius. Thank you, Lingua. Thank you, Meow. Bongga yung pangalan niya, Meow. Thank you, Meow, for following. In the tarsier are found in Bohol, the Tamarao are found in blank. Mindoro, Davao, Cagayan, or Palawan. Palawan. Ayan, iba-iba na naman ang kanilang mga sagot dito. Thank you, Gabo, for following. Sa City, Gaga. Oh, thank you so much for the gift. Highly appreciated talaga ang mga nagsisend ng mga gift. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, the correct answer is Mindoro. Ayan, tama yung mga taga Mindoro. Sa kanila po ang Tamarao. Tamaraw is originally found. Thank you for the rose, Aidin. Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nagsisend ng rose. Highly appreciated talaga kayo. Was originally found all over the Mindoro, but because of human habitation, hunting, and logging, it is now restricted to a few remote grassy plains and is now considered as endangered species. Yes, endangered na po yung mga tamaraw. Yes. Tapusin ko lang ang May, kaysa BGIT na po ako. Last month ko na lang po dito. 21. The largest flower in the world is the 1-foot diameter blanc which grow wild in the forest of Mindanao. Kamuning, banaba, kakawati, pungapung. What is your answer, everyone? Kamuning ang sagot ni Gok. Ikaw ha, wala kaya napilian, wala kaya ginteksan. Ang sagot ni Aiden is kamuning, ang kay Jovi is kamuning din, pero kay Jendo is pungapong. Ang kay Vin is banaba. Ano ba ang tamang sagot dito? Comment your answer, everyone. Ho, isa gid man ang ginapangita. Yes, the correct answer is pungapong. Pungapong po ang tamang sagot. Letter D, the largest flower in the world in a 1-foot diameter. Sino ang mga nakatama? Raise your hand, everyone. Hopod kami to, hopod kami to apply. Kami nga apat, ako, si Reggie, si Stephen, pag si Jaira. Mapuli na gay kami to tani nga apat. Yes, the next item 22. On a sunny day, what island is visible from Iami, the northernmost isle of the Philippines? Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, South Korea. Oo abi ko gani iya nagpa-Manila ka. No panagambal man ko kay Jaira, ari na si abi ko sa Manila to siya. Thank you Yani for following. Cloud, thank you for following. Comment your answer, everyone. Oh, Mr. January, bongga. Thank you for following. Message nyo na ako sa TikTok. Magpa-member na kayo sa aking group chat sa Messenger. Yes, Taiwan. Taiwan po ang tamang sagot. Ayan, tap the screen, everyone. Parang hindi tayo umaabot ng 10,000 hearts. Nakakalungkot. Meron po, member fee po. 50 pesos lang naman. Ayan, para hindi tayo aabot ng 10,000, magtatapos na tayo. Thank you, little girl, for following. Para updated kayo dito always, no? Kapag magla-live tayo. Sa mga kinakabahan dyan sa pre-board nila, dito na kayo, kay advance po tayo dito. Yung mga lumalabas sa pre-board nila, na malalaking review center, dito nyo po malalaman. The main item product during the early galleon trade was rug from Persia, precious metal from India, Chinese silk, Philippine product. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? The main item product during the early galleon trade. Di ba ang galleon trade between the Philippines and the Mexico? Pero ang tinatanong dito is the main item product na ginamit, no? during the early galleon. Keep following me, everyone. Yes po, letter C, silk po, Chinese silk. And then, share ko lang din everyone kung gusto nyo po mas maganda yung pag-generate ng brain nyo. Nare-recommend ko rin po yung brain booster na ginamit ko during my time. Naka one take lang tayo dahil dito. Hopefully na yung iba ay mag-take din ng ganito. So, ipipin ko po dito para at least malaman nyo po. Yung mga nagtitake po ng March po, nirecommend ko din po sa kanila ito. Marami din sa kanila ang nag-avail. Wait lang everyone. Ayan po, check out nyo na po yan at mag-take po. Twice a day two times a day po. 2 times a day, nakatulong talaga siya, everyone, promise. Effective siya kapag, mas especially sa Prof. Ed, kasi comprehension ang labanan. Nakakatulong po ang gamot na yan, ang medicine or ang brain booster na yan. Check out nyo na everyone para at least as early meron kayong idea. Hindi ko siya, ewan ko po ang gummy, pero yun po yung ginamit ko talaga nakatulong. Yes, the correct answer is letter A, November to February. Tap the screen everyone, tap the screen. Yes, nakatulong talaga yon sa pag-boost ng ating brain cells. Marami na pong review yan. Kaya highly recommend din po sa mga gustong mag-take, no? 25, the tobacco monopoly. Yung gamot po, nasa pin po. Ito po. Nakatulong po iyon sa para mapabilis yung ng brain niyo. Ayan, what is your answer everyone? Nasa yellow basket po yung ating medicine, brain booster para makatulong sa inyo. Ayan, malapit na tayo mag 10,000. Yes po, Batangas, hindi po Nueva Ecija. Batangas po. Batangas. Basco, go dyan Basco, Batangas po. Thank you Miss Crafty for following. Meron naman kayong may natutunan today noon. Ang tobacco monopoly was established except po sa province ng Batangas. Dito na tayo sa trends and issues in social studies. Alright, number 1. Oh, ano ba to? What is the major change create in a trend? Innovation, stagnation, revolution, evolution. What is your answer, everyone? Ayan, marami ako nakikitang letter C, pero may letter D din. Okay, the correct answer is letter A po, innovation. Oh, thank you so much. Naka 10,000 na tayo. Number 27, among social trends, which is the very difficult to psychologically overcome? The tendency, learning, bias, or inclination. Again everyone, open na po yung ating group chat na magpa-member po kayo doon para at least avail nyo na ang mga reviewer natin, mga lumabas na exam sa mga past board season. So ready to download. Thank you so much Miss Crafty. Also, mga pre-board, no, naka Google form, magpa-member na po kayo doon. Hello, Jay. Yes, the correct answer is bias po. Bias. Yan ang hindi talaga, yan ang pinaka very difficult to psychologically overcome, ang bias. Hi, Miko. Keep following me, everyone. Ito. Among the social trends which easily passes, example, fashion, mores, fad, law, norms. Thank you for following everyone. Jay, thank you for following. Ano ba ang mabilis na pinapasa? May limit. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Ang mabilis na napapasa. Law ba? Norms ba? Siyempre, ligwak ang law. Hindi tayo sa law. Yes po, it's fad. Fad po ang tamang sagot. Fad. Hindi po ang hindi po ang norms, hindi po ang mores, kundi ang fad po. How about this? 29, change become an issue when it creates a blank. Disagreement, discomfort, rollback, duplication. Follow everyone. Ang iba hindi pa naka-follow. May na-manifest ko yung mga nagfa-follow. Hala, bakit? Yes po, disagreement po. Very disagreement talaga. Kasi negative na talaga, di ba? Disagreement. Letter A, tama po ang sagot niyo. How about this 30? What particular event awakened national awareness of human indignity during the 1980s prior to the EDSA revolution? A. Slay of Ninoy Aquino, human rights violation, call of cardinal sins, parliament of the streets. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Yes po, it's Slay of Ninoy Aquino. Letter A, but letter B? Why? Hindi po human rights violation. On August 21, 1983, assassination of Aquino was seminal event in the country's history that it triggered massive protest against not just the killing of the opposition leader but also against the oppression and plunder during the Marcos dictatorship. Letter A po, Alpha. Oh, thank you so much sa mga nagpa-follow. What marked people empowerment in 1986? Yellow Ribbon, KK Revolution, New Society, EDSA Revolution. What is your answer, everyone? Yes po, EDSA Revolution. Magpa-member na po kayo sa ating group chat, everyone. 32. What was founded by Six Nations in 1967 for partnership in the regional development? Seattle, ASEAN, AOEC, Great Six Nations. Hanggang 40 items na lang tayo, everyone, ha. Mamaya naman tayo magla-live. Kita-kits naman mamaya. Prof Ed tayo mamaya, everyone. Hoping na dadalo kayo ulit sa ating Prof Ed. Mag-follow na kayo para updated kayo later na magla-live tayo for professional education. Yes po, ASEAN. 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 ASEAN po ang tamang sagot. 33. In its charter, ASEAN nations are described as blank society. Caring, competitive, cooperative, corporate. Alin ba dyan yung positive? Di ba dalawa ang positive dyan? Yes po, it's caring society. Hindi po cooperative. Dati kala ko is cooperative din. Pero caring ang tamang sagot. Building a community of caring societies po. Hindi cooperative. Dito ako nagkamali dati, guys. Same tayo. Cooperative po yung tamang sagot ko dito dati. Pero ang tamang sagot pala is caring. Ayan, no. Aray pakak. 34. Dito. Who was the first ASEAN senior statesman, who removed drugs, unemployment, and dirt waste from the city-state? Lee Kuan Yew, Rodrigo, Arsenio Lacson, Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes. Letter A po. Si Lee Kuan Yew. During his long rule, Singapore became the most prosperous country in the Southeast Asia. Take note of that, everyone. Lumalabas yan sa pre-board at saka sa actual board. Ang pinakaunang tao, Asian senior statesman, Rodrigo Duterte. Ayan po. Ayan ang mga taong yan. Oh, ano ba to? 35. Given the issues of election cheating, psychology, Philippine politics, and intrinsically known to be between personal and individual kasi wrong na si collective at communal. Intrinsically. Ba't may nagagalit kay Rodrigo Duterte? Yes po, personal kasi intrinsically. Psychology. Within personal. Yeah, letter B ang tamang sagot. Hayaan mo na sila, sir. Wala namang mali dito. The winner in the Philippine national presidential election determined by blank vote while that of the US by blank votes. O dito yung mga ano, dito yung ang totoong ano po, ang totoong tawag nito, ang pagkakamali nating mga Pilipino kaysa sa US. Hala, ba't nag-aaway-away kayo dito? Hayaan nyo na yun, move on na kayo. Ang pinagkaiba daw natin bilang mga Pilipino at saka sa US during election. Yes po, popular. 'Di ba dito sa Pilipinas kung sino yung mas even though sa mga school, SSG president, 'di ba kung sino yung mas popular even though na wala namang pakinabang, yun yung binoboto natin. Kaysa sa US, Electoral College votes. Yan po yung pagkakamali nating mga Pinoy. Ayan. 37. Senator Hillary Clinton lost the 2016 presidential election because of the losing blank votes. O ito, Popular Electoral Cooperative Corporate. Ala, ba't mga Duterte pa rin yung mga tinutukoy dito sa COMSEC. Mag-Lenin na kayo. Cheka. Hayaan mo na, be. Hayaan mo na sila. Ako na lang iboto nyo, guys. Anong tamang sagot dito? Yes, the correct answer is Electoral College. Yan po ang wala kay Senator Hillary Clinton because of losing Electoral College votes. Thank you, Sinigang. Wow, tama si Sinigang Porky. Sinigang na Porky. 38. Private sector groups for national advocacies are commonly referred to as blank. Public sector, civil society, cooperatives, party list representatives. What would be the correct answer? Yes po, letter B po ang tamang sagot. Civil society. Alright, last item na lang mamaya. 40 items lang kasi to. Which statement of human rights is correct? Human rights are unlimited. Human rights is a might. Human right is a moral power, not a physical power. All rights are inalienable. Yes, the correct answer is letter C. Human right is a moral power, not a physical power. Alright, last item. Dapat correct kayo dito ha. Last item, mag-follow na everyone for the last item. Mang-a-add na tayo ngayon sa group chat. Message nyo na ako everyone. Magpa-member na po kayo para ma-add ko na po kayo sa group chat at ma-download nyo na yung mga reviewers na na-send ko doon at marami pa tayong isi-send. Message nyo na ako dito guys sa TikTok. This is the last item. Yes po, this is for education po, teachers, for board exam. What's your answer for this? Organization of the Mark Milestone Development of Philippine Sociology. Message yun na ako dito. Yes po, marami po doon. A presentation, PDF, Google Form, mga restricted files, ang mga laman ng restricted files po isi-send pa for the month of July or August. Kasi hanggang September na po kayo doon sa group chat. 'Di ba one-time payment, ilang months na kayo nandoon, always kayo updated sa mga reviewer na isi-send. Magpa-member na kayo guys. Marami tayo doon. Marami na po nagpa-member doon. Nag-start po na magpa-member yung iba noong March pa, pero magte-take pa sila ng board exam this upcoming September. Very lang po, affordable. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok. Yes, the correct answer is letter B po. It's Bravo. So, dito na nagtatapos guys yung ating live for General Education Social Studies. At kung gusto nyo po mag-avail ng mga reviewer, ready to download, ready to print, PowerPoint presentation, magpa-member na kayo sa ating group chat. Message nyo lang ako dito guys. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you so much. Message nyo lang ako dito everyone. Ayan, or message nyo ako sa Facebook. And then mamimigay din tayo doon ng mga tips kung paano ninyo po i-one take yung inyong board exam this upcoming September. Affordable lang Ma'am Zaling. Message mo lang ako dito sa TikTok, re-replyan kita kaagad. Message mo lang ako Ma'am Zaling. Ayan. Sino pang gusto magpa-member, message na po kayo. Bibigyan ko po kayo ngayon ng discount. Message na po kayo. Ayan. Message nyo lang ako everyone. Alright, so bye-bye everyone. See you later. Magla-live tayo ulit later for Prof. Ed. Bye-bye everyone.